India's air defense grid that ensured the Pakistani drone attack. Their missiles, their unmanned combat aerial vehicles could not penetrate and target our vital assets and vital points. That right behind me is the Akash surface to air missile defense system. Its radars can look at the enemy more than 150 kilometers away, and it can kill an incoming threat about 25 to 30 kilometers away. There's a longer range Akash that's in the works, and with me is the Akash battery commander. Sir, how are you?
Hi, very good.
It's, very good. So I see your radars are still on very clearly. You can't trust the adversary even now in this situation.
Not at all, actually.
So how bad, how challenging is the situation right now?
The equipment that I'm holding, it is indigenous and it's very sophisticated. So with this piece of equipment, you are much more confident whenever it is. So in this Ops Sindhu, we have operated in all realms, and we have tracked all the enemy aircrafts that we have seen, and my adversary knows better than that. I mean, they'll be knowing what
well done.
We have done.
Absolutely, the adversary knows the challenges. Let me now take you to the other system that's right here, and this is actually how Indian innovation has kept India a step ahead. So this is the ZU-23 ACAC gun or anti-aircraft gun. Now, very, very potent, very rapid rate of fire. 23 millimeters is the ammunition, and can take out a target between 2.5 to 3 kilometers away. But if you notice the battery commander, sir, you're also holding an infantry weapon. That's a SIG sword that you're holding.
Yes, sir.
Why an infantry weapon with an, with a gunner officer, AAD officer?
Because in this dynamic counter-UAS grid, we have been unconventionally deployed for certain tasks where we require certain weapons to increase our maximum range and lethal capacity.
Very interesting. Now let me de-jargonize it. Anti-aircraft gun usually deployed a little in the depth area, but these are mounted on 4x4 Tatra trucks taken right up to the international border for multiple roles, not just taking down an incoming threat, surface to air, an anti-aircraft take out the enemy drones at 2.5 kilometers away or more, but also direct firing role, you can be deployed to take out some of his.
As of now, sir, we are employed in counter-UAS grid and ready for the conventional role. But if required in future, we can undertake certain tasks on the orders of hierarchy.
Brilliant. Let me, for the benefit of our viewers, while you see that ammunition, 900 rounds of those, let me quickly take you up and show you some of this equipment. Come, I want to show you this weapon and the system that is here. Now, this anti-aircraft gun, 2.5 kilometers is the range. It's a team of 5 that operates it, and it can rotate in every direction. ये कितना 2.5 किलोमीटर दूर तक टारगेट को मार सकती है?
यस सर, 2.5 से 3 किलोमीटर दूर तक टारगेट को मार सकती है सर।
और आपके पास तो किल भी रहा है ऑप्शन सिंदूर में?
जी सर, ऑप्शन सिंदूर में हमने मकौल में था, वहाँ पे हम 3 से 4 ड्रोन गिराया है और वहाँ पे हम डिप्लॉयड था।
बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको, ड्रोन आप गिरा चुके हैं और ये टीम यहाँ पर तैनात है। इनमें जो देखिए, ये जो साइट है ना, ये जो दुश्मन है उसको जो आप पर थ्रेट आ रहा है, द इनकमिंग थ्रेट कैन बी सीन सम डिस्टेंस अवे. So these soldiers are prepared. The team leader then tasks them. This Tatra truck, if you notice, it's welded, modified and welded to the chassis of this weapon, of this truck. So it can move very rapidly from one place to the other. Very mobile, very lethal and accurate. And that's the second ACAC gun deployed right there. So a team of 8 people simultaneously can take down the threat. And look at that. 900 rounds and more ready to kill, including the tracer resistance. Now go to the next target. I also want to now show you the other anti-aircraft gun, and as you can see, this gun can fire once again in every direction, rotate very rapidly, fire more than 2,200 rounds simultaneously, and this is the first gun that had a kill during operations. ये जो ऑपरेशन रहा, सबसे पहला किल आप ही का था?
जी सर, पहला फायर हमने ओपन किया था और पहला ही ड्रोन हमने मार गिराया था सर।
तो और ये 2.5 से 3 किलोमीटर
2.5 से 3 किलोमीटर किसी भी टारगेट को मार के जाने में सक्षम है, और हमने अभी तक इस गन से 4 ड्रोन गिराए हैं।
4 ड्रोन आपने भी गिराए हैं। So couple of drones dropped by that team, couple of drones dropped by this team. Their ammunition on the standby, as you can notice here. And as we rapidly move forward, now that is the kind of systems that are used very extensively in this area. That is the L-70 gun. as warfare advances, the army was actually thinking that they would be acquiring more and more missiles. They would be moving forward, but with unmanned aerial vehicles and unmanned combat aerial vehicles, these older weapons of the 1970s are once again making a comeback. So this L-70 again has a rapid rate of fire, can rotate in every direction. It has 40 mm ammunition. It has fires very rapidly, and if you notice, locked and loaded to kill for point defense of vital assets and vital points, airports, ammunition dumps, military garrisons. We're there for the protection of these assets. And I want you to look at this. This is the Turkish Yiha drone. A lot was spoken of this, that along with the Bayraktar TB2, these were the new drones, composite material, a lot of wood. Look at it inside. That is how they try and make it lighter. A lot of information will come out, and that's the engine. So this drone was taken down, burnt completely. There you see a part of the wing of that drone. Very light, but now destroyed. The army is not very impressed with the Turkish drones. They're not very impressed with the Chinese drones either. It's more like Uchi Dukan Phike Pakwan is a saying in Hindi. This, of course, are pieces of that Fateh missile that was fired, that rocket that was fired at a strategic target. But the Sudarshan Chakra of the air defense system was successful in neutralizing that too.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.